Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. No idea what's in here. We're going to find out together, as per usual. Most likely something that was sent as a response to my recent post about knives that I'm looking for review, which there are definitely still on that list that I'm looking for, so make sure you check it out. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. You guys know, because I've been reminding you, and I probably will all the way up to 60K, that I'm about to hit 60,000 subscribers. Why does that matter? Well, I'm going to be giving away a whole bunch of stuff, including an M4 smock from Blade HQ, but many other things I've yet to reveal. So I would invite you to subscribe so that you make sure that you know when that day comes, because I will make a big event out of it, and it should be pretty fun. So yeah, make sure that you're subscribed, even if you feel like you already are. And if you're new, welcome. I upload content every single day, twice a day. Been doing it for well over a year now. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. So let's take a look here real quick. Says, sorry about the handwriting, I'm a lefty. I can read your handwriting. Yes. But thank you, you know who you are. You guys know that, sorry, piece of tape there. I've, recently handled the Heretic Manticore X. This apparently is the medium-sized one of the bunch. Let me take a look here. This is the Manticore E, which I will absolutely be linking right down below. And it feels great. It feels, just as high quality as the Manticore X, which I'll be comparing to when I actually do the review of this guy. This is just first impressions, unboxing and first impressions. The review will come down the road after I've had a chance to experience it. Yeah, firing power feels good. This feels bigger than a Troodon, but not quite as big as not quite as long as an Ultratech. I kind of want to measure it. See what we're looking at for size here. Overall length, it's an 8, a little bit. This is literally almost exactly the same size as the Guardian Tactical Recon 35. This is kind of like a Lightning OTF sized knife. Obviously, though, we have CPM S35 Yenso Premium Steel, and then we have the 6061 T6 aluminum. And this is an American-made OTF. So while these are competitively priced, very competitively priced up against OTFs that are actually in the same quality department, right? This is in your Guardian Tactical / Microtech competitive zone with real American automatic knives, not the ones that are pretending to be right now. Yeah, very competitive. It's very expensive though, definitely. But I don't think as expensive as you might think. I will, I know that these are available, so I will link them down below so you guys can check them out. Anyways, guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's short little unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I definitely did. This is very, very cool. Go ahead and, like I said, make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives. They're either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.